it is, mind-blown chef time. Sexy. In this video, guys, we're gonna take this pork butt and we're gonna smoke it to perfection. Okay, so I have a bowl of pre-mixed rub that I got from the grocery store. I added a little bit of garlic powder. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna rub all over the pork butt and make it so it's nice and covered on all sides. And that's what it'll look like. A little trick, pat it dry with some paper towels and then push down on all the rub and it'll help it stick to the meat really nicely. So at this point, light old Smokey outside. If you haven't seen my rib video, watch my rib video. I go over step by step how to light the smoker, what kind of chips I use, etc, etc. Now, we're gonna go over the ingredients. Whole ingredients. We have carrots, we have garlic clove, onion, celery, parsley, thyme, chicken stock, peppercorn, and bay leaf. Let's do it. Grab a big roasting pan like this, and we're gonna put all of our chopped ingredients inside of it. Okay, I show you step by step so I make it very simple for you at home, okay? Now, turn on your oven at 350. So, we got our oven on at 350. We got old Smokey outside going. We got our ingredients right here. We're gonna chop them, we're gonna put them in our roasting pan, and then we're gonna go put our meat on the smoker. Okay, so for the time, oh gosh, that's it. Just throw the whole thing inside the roasting pan. For the onion, you're gonna just cut both sides off. You're gonna half it, peel it, and we're gonna cut large squares out of this. Half like that, and then just come back at it like this. These don't have to be perfect, just like that. Carrot, literally, take it, throw it in the pan. That's it. Okay, celery, same thing. Just like that. For the garlic clove, just crush them. We're gonna peel it, leave it whole, but crush it so the flavor gets released. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Like this. Hit it with the knife, throw it in the pan. Hit it with the knife, throw it in the pan. For our parsley, all you're gonna do is you're gonna cut the base like that. We're gonna use just the stems. That's it. For our final two ingredients, we have peppercorn and we have chicken stock. That's it. Old Smokey is ready to go. We're gonna put this on for 45 minutes. All right, so once all your ingredients are in your roasting pan, you're gonna add water. Depending on the size of your roasting pan, you just want to fill the roasting pan like a little more than a quarter of the way with water because you want the pork, not the roast, the pork to sit in the pan and be just not even halfway covered with water because we're gonna braise this in the oven. So go ahead and mix up your ingredients because the chicken stock's powdery, so you want to mix everything up and have it ready to go for your pork. Once the pork's done smoking, bam! And there you have it, guys. A lovely bed of flavor for your pork to sit on top of. So 45 minutes later, that's what the pork should look like. Nice, beautiful smoke color. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna put the lid on this. We're gonna place this in the oven. It's gonna take roughly 4 hours to be completely fork tender, depending on the size of your roast, but this one's gonna be about 4 hours. There it is, guys, smoked pork. 3.5 hours later and you got smoked pork to perfection. All this jus inside, save it. Put it in a bag and put it in the freezer and save it for flavor for later. Sexy.